how to update Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft Copilot on a Windows 11 PC so you always have the latest features and improvements. First, it's important to understand that Copilot updates are distributed through the Microsoft Store and through Windows Update. So you'll want to make sure both of these are running the latest version. So first, you'll need to head over to your settings, and then you need to go to Windows Update on the left hand side, and then there you'll need to check for if there is any update available. So tap on check for updates, and then if it shows you are up to date, then that means your Copilot is also updated to the latest version. Microsoft Store update ensures that Copilot stays up to date as well. So that's it. Just make sure that you update your Windows, and then it will automatically update your Microsoft Store and your Copilot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.